Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to convert PNG to JPG image in Photopea. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Photopea software. Now we want to convert the PNG to JPG image. At first open the PNG image. Now I am select this open from computer option. Then choose my PNG image. We can see here the PNG image. Open this Photopea logo. We can see the logo is a PNG. Now we want to convert this PNG image to JPG. Go to the file menu, select this export as option. Now I am select JPG. Then wait some moment to saving this image as a JPG. Here the preview of this image. Now you can increase the quality, otherwise decrease this. Now I am change the name. Then click save option. We can see here the save being the JPG image. Now I am select this show in folder option, and we can see here the PNG image we save or export as a JPG. You want to make sure this, click right button, go to the properties and check the file type. Now we can see here the file type is JPG. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.